Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum class. I hope you all are fine. Students, this is your science workbook, which is Science Fact File 1. As you know, we have completed the chapter 2, which is Life and Living Things from textbook, and we have also completed the exercise of chapter number 2 from the textbook, and today we are going to start the exercise of chapter 2 Life and Living Things from workbook. So let's start. The question number 1 is, state whether the following statement are true or false. Students, we read these statements and then we are able to write the true or false. So let's start. The first one is, an organism cannot exist on its own. No, it's wrong, because organism exists on its own. Second is, organs work together in groups called organ system. Yes, when organ system combine together and perform a specific function, they form the organ system, and it's true, and write the T. The third one is, a light microscope gets its name because it is not very heavy. No, it's wrong, because in light microscope we use light, that's why its name is light microscope. So write F for the false. The fourth one is, each of the human senses has its own sense organ. Yes, it's true, because we have learned that each sense organ has its own sense organ. For example, the sense organ of the sight is eye, and the sense organ of the touch is skin. So it's true, and write the T for true. The fifth one is, the tongue can detect salty, sweet, sour and bitter taste. Yes, it's true, because we have learned that the tongue basically 4 taste, which is salty, sweet. So write the T for true. The question number 2 is, choose the correct option. The first one is, which of the following is not part of circulatory system? Circulatory system consists of heart, veins and arteries. And which is not the part of the circulatory system? Here you can see that the lungs is not the part of circulatory system, it's a part of respiratory system. So encircle the C option. The second one is, in human eye, the job of the iris is to iris control the amount of light entering the eye. So encircle the B option, which indicate the correct answer. The third one is, in human ear, where is eardrum? Students, we know that outer layer of ear is consist of ear flap, ear canal and eardrum. So inner canal near the ear flap is the correct option, and encircle the option A. The fourth one is, in the human skin, the dead layer lies on the outermost layer of the skin. So the correct option is above the outer layer. So encircle the option A. The fifth one is, which of the following is not a taste sensation of the tongue? Students, we have learned that the tongue has basically 4 tastes, which is salty, sweet, sour and bitter. Spicy is not a taste, it is a sensation of pain. So the right option is C. Question number 3 is, draw lines between the life process and its meaning. Students, here you can see that here is the life processes and here its meaning. We draw a line between life processes and its meaning. So let's start. The first is respiration. The meaning of respiration is getting energy out of food. So draw the line. Respiration is getting energy out of food. Growing is the process in which the size of the organism increase. So the meaning of the growing is getting bigger. The third one is reproduction. Reproduction is a life process in which the organism produces offspring, and its meaning is making more of the same kind. Movement. The meaning of life process movement is going from one place to another. We draw a line between movement and going from one place to another. Excretion. The meaning of this life process is getting rid of waste. Response. The meaning of this life process is reacting to something or response to something. Feeding. The meaning of this life process is taking in nutrients. Question number 4 is the first part. Label this diagram of an animal cell. Use this word. Here you can see this word. Here is animal cell. The center part of the cell is nucleus and the outermost layer is cell membrane, and the liquid content between nucleus and cell membrane is cytoplasm. So write it down. The second one is label this diagram of the plant cell. Use this word. Here you can see that word, and here you can see the plant cell, and we know that in plant cell, in the center of the plant cell there is a large vacuole. So the center of the plant cell is vacuole. The outermost layer of the plant cell is cell wall, and the inner is cell membrane, and the liquid part in the cell is cytoplasm, and here is chloroplast, and here is nucleus. So write it down. The third one is write down 3 differences between plant and animal cell. The first, plant cells have a cell wall, but animal cell have no cell wall. Plant cells have chloroplast, here you can see, and animal cell have no chloroplast. Plant cells have a vacuole, but animal cell have not a vacuole. So there is difference between plant cells and animal cells. Students, today we have completed the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope you understand all the answers of the question. Stay safe at your homes and keep praying for your country. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.